Good morning, lovely people. I hope you're doing good. So this is the first commission project that I've worked on. Was originally a normal rock. I carved out of a concrete cutting disc, a cup wheel, and then diamond polishing kit from our Chinese friends. I'm not sure how to pronounce it in English. I believe it's blue lye rock. But yeah, the client gave the rock for me, asked for a bowl to grind herbs in. So I actually had a comeback because originally I left it relatively smooth and it did not work for its function. So now I added these deeper marks in. Grinded handles in. And then yeah, you can see I went for a natural, basically floral pattern on the sides. In time, if I get more stones, I'll definitely do a video on how to do this work. Basically, a concrete cutting disc is all you need. Yeah, have a good one. Peace be with you.